Good morning, student. Now, last time we discussed about the atomic number and atomic mass. Atomic number means number of protons. Atomic mass means total sum of number of protons and neutrons. Today, I discuss the question answers given on page number 52. First question, see, question number 1. If the number of electrons in the atom is 8 and number of proton is also 8, right? Then what is the atomic number of atom and its charge? So we know that atomic number of an atom means we can say that, right? Number of electron, right? 8. Number of proton, 8. Right? So, atomic number, what is the atomic number? Atomic number means, right, number of protons. So, atomic number equal to number of protons and it equal to 8. And second question, right, what is the charge of atom? So, charge of atom, right, atomic number, right, means number of proton equal to number of electrons. Number of proton equal to number of electron, right? Number of proton plus minus. Therefore, the charge plus minus means there is no charge. Thus, an atom is electrically. Thus, the charge of an atom is 0. 0, otherwise no charge. Therefore, it is electrically, right, neutral. So first answer of this question, number of proton and electron is 8. Atomic number means number of proton, so it's 8. Number of proton is 8, number of electron is 8 plus minus 8, right? Total 0 means electrically neutral. Now, second question, right? Answer number 2. Answer number 2. What is second question? Second question is that, right, what is the number of electrons and protons, right? You will calculate the help of this table, mass of oxygen and sulfur, right? So what is the atomic mass? Atomic mass of oxygen and sulfur. Atomic mass equal to oxygen number of proton, right, number of neutron, 8. Atomic mass of oxygen is equal to proton plus neutron, 8 plus 8 equal to 16. Correct? So, what is the atomic mass? Atomic mass of oxygen, number of proton plus number of neutron, 8 plus 8, 16. And sulfur, so atomic mass of sulfur, right? Second number, atomic mass of sulfur, right? Number of proton, right, plus number of neutron, total 16 plus 16, 32, right? So atomic mass, right, you know that its symbol A equal to P plus N and Z equal to, right? We can say that the numbers. So always you write that formula is atomic mass equal to number of proton plus number of electron. See in table, oxygen 8 plus F16. In case of sulfur, sulfur means S, atomic number 16 plus 16, 32. So this is the method to find out atomic mass with the help of number of proton and electrons. So today you write these two questions given on page number 52, answer number 1 and 2 in your classwork. Next time I start isotope, right? So write in classwork question number 1, 2 of page number 52. Thank you.